Have you ever felt constant fatigue, unexplained digestive issues, or persistent skin problems, and wondered if something more insidious could be at play? It might be shocking to realize that hidden parasites could be causing these very symptoms, wreaking havoc on your body without you even knowing it. Barbara O'Neill, a renowned natural health educator, believes that parasites are more common than we think and could be silently affecting millions of people worldwide. In this video, we'll dive deep into Barbara O'Neill's powerful recommendations for cleansing the body of parasites using natural and effective methods. O'Neill emphasizes that these invaders can be eliminated without harsh chemicals, relying instead on the wisdom of nature and a few key products. If you're ready to reclaim your health and get rid of these unwelcome guests, stick around. Barbara O'Neill explains that parasites can lead to a myriad of symptoms, from bloating and indigestion to more severe conditions such as chronic fatigue, skin rashes, and even mental health disturbances like anxiety and depression. Left untreated, parasites can weaken your immune system, rob your body of essential nutrients, and trigger inflammation throughout the body. But there's hope. O'Neill advocates for a holistic approach to cleanse the body and restore balance. O'Neill recommends starting with a blend of anti-parasitic herbs. Common choices include wormwood, black walnut hull, and cloves, an ancient remedy used for centuries to target a wide range of parasites. These herbs are potent because they not only kill adult parasites, but also destroy the eggs they lay, preventing reinfestation. You can find potent supplements that combine these powerful herbs, and we've included links to them in the description below. These supplements should be taken consistently over a 30-day period to fully disrupt the parasite life cycle. O'Neill emphasizes the importance of patience and persistence during this stage, as parasites can be stubborn and may take time to fully eliminate. Another product Barbara O'Neill often recommends for parasite cleansing is food-grade diatomaceous earth. This natural substance is made from fossilized remains of tiny aquatic organisms and works by physically shredding the outer shell of parasites in the intestines. It's safe for humans when used properly, and O'Neill suggests mixing a tablespoon into water and drinking it once or twice a day. After eliminating parasites, restoring balance to your gut is crucial. O'Neill advocates for the use of high-quality probiotics to repopulate your gut with healthy bacteria. This is essential because parasites can cause dysbiosis, leading to further digestive issues and weakened immunity. Look for probiotics that contain multiple strains of beneficial bacteria. To make your body less hospitable to parasites, Barbara O'Neill suggests reducing or eliminating processed sugars, which feed parasites and help them thrive. Instead, focus on whole, natural foods like fresh vegetables, organic fruits, and lean proteins. Additionally, including foods like pumpkin seeds, garlic, and papaya seeds in your diet can help to naturally combat parasites due to their anti-parasitic properties. Cleansing the colon is another crucial step in O'Neill's parasite cleanse protocol. She often recommends herbal colon cleanses or magnesium oxide supplements to help flush the intestines and remove any remaining parasites or toxins. This is important to ensure that your body eliminates the waste produced by the parasites, preventing reabsorption of toxins into the bloodstream. Staying well hydrated is essential during any cleanse. O'Neill encourages drinking plenty of filtered water to support detoxification and help your body eliminate parasites more efficiently. For more advanced cases, O'Neill sometimes suggests intermittent fasting or short juice fasts to starve the parasites and further purify the body. Research has shown that many of the natural remedies O'Neill recommends, such as black walnut and wormwood, have anti-parasitic effects. In one study, black walnut extract was found to inhibit the growth of parasites in lab settings. Moreover, testimonials across platforms like Reddit have highlighted the benefits of diatomaceous earth and herbs like wormwood in clearing parasites. Many users reported reduced bloating, clearer skin, and increased energy after completing a cleanse. Parasites can cause more than just discomfort. They can drain your body of its vitality. If you're struggling with unexplained symptoms and suspect parasites may be the cause, consider following Barbara O'Neill's proven approach to cleansing your body naturally. From powerful herbs to simple dietary changes, these steps can help you eliminate parasites and restore your health. Let us know in the comments if you've ever tried a parasite cleanse and how it worked for you. Be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our next video on more natural remedies to support a healthy body and mind. Stay well and take care of your health.